most valuable class so far. They're all valuable, but I found the Zoom class just to be so so educational. I take classes at a local senior college on Zoom, and there's something in the menu bar that says hide self view. And I thought that meant that I couldn't be seen. And so while we're all in those little Hollywood squares, I would put in hide self view while the teacher of this class would continue to talk and students would continue to learn. And I would, I thought that I couldn't be seen. So I would adjust my bra strap, I eat a bowl of spaghetti, I'd walk around the house. And one day I was called on. And the minute I was called on, I went to leave that class. And I couldn't figure out how he knew that I was there. And it wasn't until I took that class that I realized hide self view only means that I'm hiding it from myself and not from the 120 other people that were taking that same subject. So I'm just so happy that I learned what that means. And I think anybody who thinks hide self view means that you can't be seen needs to take your Zoom class.